Hello and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. Recording this Friday, March the 10th at 12:34 p.m. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we had the severe weather, and now we're going to have to deal with winter weather. There are some very key things about this, and there's always uncertainty when you're dealing with winter weather in Arkansas. But there are a couple of things here. First of all, this is what I'm calling a mashed potato snow. Because if there are any accumulations, it'll look like mashed potatoes on the ground. It's going to be lumpy, heavy, wet type of snow. The other thing is that it's jaw-dropping. That's why this is significant. I think because of all the warm weather we've had, and then you go into March and you're thinking, everything's blooming, the grass is greening up, and you're thinking, oh yeah, winter's over with. We got spring, and it's going to be March the 11th into 12th. Daylight saving time, by the way, begins. And you're just going to you use Arkansas as a verb. This is how we Arkansas. Not everybody's going to get this. This is mainly north central and northeast Arkansas. Could flakes fly as far south as Little Rock? Could there be a sleet pellet or two? I'm not going to rule that out. But anything I think of significance is going to be up north. Now, I got new data. I want to go over the European computer model with you and the GFS. This just came out. This is by noon Saturday. And you see rain. And this is from EuroWX.com. So between noon and 6 p.m., you see a mix developing far north. And most of this is going to be a cold rain. For most of the Channel 7 viewing area, this will be a cold rain. Then between 6 p.m. and midnight, look at this. The transition starts to occur with a mix to some snow, especially those higher elevations. And then as it ends early Sunday morning, you can see it tries to get into central Arkansas with a quick changeover before it ends, and then it's gone. So how much snow is the European computer model? Let's see here, run total. How much is the European computer model? Again, this is just a computer model. Let's see if I can draw. I'm sorry, I'm trying to draw a color here. Okay, so in this area that you see outlined, this is the swath of snow that it's showing through north central northeast Arkansas. That's, according to the legend, mostly that gray area is 1 inch or less. That gray area is 1 inch or less. And then you get into this area right here, and you can see it's well removed from central Arkansas, but it's those higher elevations from Madison County over towards Independence County. That's showing 1 to maybe 3 inches. And it's pegging something right there in those higher elevations of Newton and Searcy counties, maybe something around 3 inches or so, right in there. So that's where the European computer model is showing any accumulations, that area of the state. And I think that's reasonable. I think the European model is doing a great job with that. So with that said, let's take a look at the GFS. So the GFS computer model, this is showing you how much, or showing you precipitation over the previous 6 hours. So at noon, this is from 6 a.m. to noon Saturday, that peach is sleet, the green is rain. And then this is during the afternoon. So the GFS has been the colder of the models all along. This is the 35-degree line, that blue line. The 32-degree line is still north, so very marginal. The ground is super warm. It's going to take quite a bit to get anything to accumulate. So again, what I'm showing you, these are not forecasts, these are computer models. That blue is snow. You see a little mixture there, then rain. That's during the afternoon. And then watch what happens at night. The 32-degree line, once the sunset, sinks towards the south. And it's this area here, north central and northeast Arkansas, that has a chance for some light accumulations, mainly on exposed objects and grassy surfaces. And then it's gone. How much is the GFS putting out? Well, let me see here. I've got to find the correct accumulated snow. Here we go. It's a little different. It's a little different, but has the same general idea of this corridor right here getting a dusting. I would say a dusting to 1 inch with some isolated areas, possibly in the higher elevations getting up to 2 inches. So it's got that same general idea of north central, northeast Arkansas, just like the European computer model. And the other computer models are showing basically the same thing. So if you're looking for snow in central Arkansas, you're looking for snow in all the wrong places. Looking for snow anyway. It's going to be mainly a cold rain here, but would not be surprising to see it into something else. briefly. Could these things change? Absolutely. And I'll keep you updated. Thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.